fire in here, and it takes about an hour for it to get hot enough to cook. And when it gets hot, everything on this stove is hot. You notice that I automatically grab something to protect my hand before I touch anything. And you can bake in the oven, you can cook on top of the stove. The way you control the heat, so there's no dials or anything to turn the heat up and down, is you move your pans back and forth for the right heat. This is your high heat right over the fire, and that's just your simmer way over here, and medium in the middle. And let's see how this is doing. Yeah, that's good. I want it to just kind of simmer. I'm making a pot of soup for staff lunch.
Oh my! And you have some cookies you just baked.
I do, and have one, please.
What kind are they?
These are a ginger snap, and I've got about a dozen recipes that I use. Most of them family recipes. But the one requirement is that they're made with ingredients that would have been available in 1880. So of course there's no chocolate chip cookies.
Wow.
But if you look at antique cookbooks, there were usually lots of ginger and molasses cookies, because that's something that people would have had around the house.
Now, do you use cast iron on this when you're
I
cooking?
do on occasion. I don't do a lot of cooking on top of the stove. Mostly I bake things on Saturday because that works well to give samples to visitors. But I do have a couple of cast iron skillets that I've tried to keep in semi-decent condition and I make cornbread in them on occasion.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you for the tour.
Oh, my pleasure.